Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making Til Ladoo and this is going to be soft Til Ladoo. So in today's episode I am going to give you nice and easy tip to make this into perfect soft Til Ladoos. And for that first we need to dry roast some til, that is sesame seeds. So here I have a cup of til, that is sesame seeds. We are going to dry roast this on a low to medium heat until it gets nice golden color, nice and even golden color. And make sure you dry roast it on low to medium heat only. Alright, so over here this sesame seeds has got this nice golden color. Now let's take another plate and transfer this sesame seeds into that. Now in the same pan add in a teaspoon of ghee, that is clarified butter, and in that here I am using half cup of light jaggery, that is good, and half cup of dark jaggery. So for making soft Til Ladoo we need to use combination of these both jaggeries. If we use dark jaggery, entire dark jaggery, then laddus might turn very crispy and hard and not easy to eat. If we use light jaggery alone, the laddus might turn crumbly and it will not hold its shape. So to balance it out, we want crispy, little bit crispy, at the same time softer laddus. And here is the perfect tip: half portion of dark and half portion of light jaggery. Now mix this up. And we need to cook this. We don't need to make this into a syrup or something like that. Just cook this until this jaggery melts down completely and there are no any bits of jaggery left in this syrup. And here this jaggery has melted completely. Now in this add in half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. So here is this fresh piece of nutmeg. I am just going to grate this directly into this syrup. Now it's always a better idea to use fresh nutmeg instead of using store-bought nutmeg powder. It is rich in flavor, the fresh nutmeg powder. It releases nice aroma and adds wonderful taste in this laddu. Now let's mix this up very well. Yes, and quickly now go ahead and add in this roasted sesame seeds, and also I am adding 1/4 cup of roasted peanut powder. Now that is purely optional, you can just keep that out. So these are basically raw peanuts that's been roasted lightly, peeled and then crushed roughly. You can just keep adding peanuts. Mix this up. Perfect. Now as soon as everything is well combined and this mixture is still hot, we are going to make this into a laddu. We need to shape this into a laddu. So take a tablespoon of mixture. Wet your hands little bit to prevent it from burning. And quickly form this into a laddu, like so. And keep this aside. Again wet your hand, take a tablespoon of this mixture and quickly form this into a laddu. Awesome. And you need to be really quick while shaping this into laddu. If the mixture cools down completely, it will not hold its shape. So it's better to do this when it's still hot. Awesome, and over here these til ladoos are ready and they look super yummy. Let me open up one for you. Look at them. How soft these ladoos have turned. Lovely. They aren't hard at all. You can easily break them down. So this is how you make super soft til ladoo. So this Sankranti, do give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.